Hello again, ChoroQ fans. Today I picked up this Castrol official Choro-Q. It says 2002 there through the packaging. Okay. Castrol's a motor oil if you're unfamiliar. This toy is actually made in Taiwan. Interesting. Not mainly in China. What do you know? An excessive amount of tape. I feel like if they could have just had two strips there and it would have been perfectly fine to keep that cardboard in place. I'm just gonna tear it. I'm not gonna keep this packaging. I could not find any Castrol Celicas of this generation. The only thing close is this Gran Turismo car. So yeah, I guess that's, well, it's not even the same on the side. And then here's a real racing rally car of that generation, but it's obviously not a Castrol. Oh well, maybe it's just a fantasy livery, you know? Just Castrol's trying to promote their oils by giving out these Choro-Qs. Although the weird thing is, Choro-Q has made the body styles of the Castrol Celicas that did actually win rally races. Anyways, we have our standard molded 5-spokes here in red by Choro-Q. The tires are rubbery. They're like silicone or something. This white stuff doesn't matter. You just wipe it off and it's fine. And the reason the tires are rubbery is it's a pullback toy. And they go really fast. I didn't even crank that back very far. This tampo printing is very nice. It's like a checkerboard fading into the white. Or I don't know if there's a border there or not. It's stopping right where the door crease is, and there's a tiny door handle detail there. So very good. The window molding is raised, so that's nice. There's a little bump here. I guess maybe that's a reflector on the real car. Then the fog lights here are there, but they're not painted. That's fine. This is just black. It's probably part of the base, but it's pretty far in, so that's cool. And then the whole body is just smoked plastic. You can see the wind-up motor there, but so the headlights are smoked plastic. This little vent, no paint though, but the nice tampo printing here of the Castrol looks good here. Here we have a sunroof detail, third brake light bump there. This side looks okay. Very crudely painted tail lights, but better than I could ever paint it, so better than nothing. And even that actually makes sense. If this is red, that they paint those orange, right? Because you wouldn't see them if they were red. Here's some grooves. Little exhaust here, part of the base. A little Castrol sticker on the coin holder. You can put a coin, it'll do a wheelie. The wing is a separate piece. A little air passing under it. Very neat. Okay. And then this, no date on the bottom though. So that's too bad if you buy this without the packaging. You really don't know how old it is. Nowhere on here does it say. Okay, standard construction of a screw and a tab in the back. I guess I'm just going to leave it as it is. It actually isn't very gappy. It's actually pretty tight in the details here as far as the air underneath the fenders. So that's actually better than usual for a toy, you know. So anyways, let's look at a few other Celicas. So here's the other Celica I have from ChoroQ. It's got this funky Toy Dream Workshop thing. I think that's literally a toy store in Japan, and they commission these to be made for their toy shop. This one is from the year 2000, I think. I don't know, I can't remember where these wheels came from. They might actually be from my Tarmac Works Evo 10. I can't recall. So there we now have two of those body styles. And so here's some old classic rally cars by Toyota. This is the number 2 car of the, I think this is the first generation Celica, the RA20. And then we have this slightly more modern one from the 80s, the ST165. And this is when they started to be competitive, I think, in rally racing. And then this one here is the ST185. I believe the ST185 is the one that actually won rally races. I could be wrong. Yeah, don't quote me on that. Okay, well, yeah, a lot of Celicas done by ChoroQ. It's actually more. I might as well pull out this one, this body style. This is the LB one, I think it's called. It doesn't say on the bottom. It's not a race car though. I'm not sure what the wheels are from that as well. Alright, let's get this over here. Looks like a road racing Celica to me. Okay, well, yeah. I guess it's okay. Standard ChoroQ stuff. I wish they didn't have the coin holders, but that's their tradition. That's what they're known for, apparently. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next race car deformed video. Bye.